Hey everybody, it's John here with Modelworks Direct. I'm on site to show you a P-51 Mustang 1-in-1 scale. Now for those who doesn't know what a 1-in-1 scale means, it means that the model will be exactly the same size as a P-51 Mustang. Hard to believe, but it's true. It will make a non-believer a believer. This is a 1-in-1 scale P-51 Mustang. And I'm gonna show you a better perspective of how big this airplane modeler really is. Come this way. I mean, look at this. It's hard to believe that this is a model. This is the actual size of a P-51 Mustang. Actual size. And this was actually molded initially with foam. Has been masked to maintain and retain the shape of the actual airplane to give it this 1-in-1 scale with all the details for the model. So I want to show you another part of the model. This is the tail with the stabilizer right here. And we got Roel and Mike. And these are the men of the operation here at Modelworks Direct. We'll show you a perspective too on how big this tail actually is. So this is the tail. It's gonna go in the back part of the model. And that would be the stabilizer portion in the back where Mike is at. Keep in mind that this was made by hand. By hand. This 1-in-1 scale of the tail portion of the P-51 Mustang done by hand. I want to bring you to another part of the airplane. This is the actual wings of the airplane. And it's currently being worked on by our artisans right here. And I'm moving around to the back here. So this wing of the P-51 Mustang, this part, this model, the wing is 37 feet long. And it's masked with fiberglass. Keep in mind, this was foam. And now it is something that they can work with. They can shape it, paint it to look exactly like a P-51 Mustang. 37 feet long. So this is another part of the model. This is the wing. The wings actually, and I want to show you just how big this is. The wings are actually 37 feet in length. Another man of the operations right here to make it look exactly like the model, or excuse me, like the airplane itself. 37 feet. Fiberglass. He's shaping it. Eventually fit on this P-51 Mustang replica.